I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your BMW's year and iDrive firmware. Some models need firmware 6.0 Plus or a retrofit kit. Next, power your phone and use an OEM or MFI certified lightning cable so connection is stable. Once done, access iDrive settings and enable smartphone integration. Make sure Bluetooth is on for initial pairing. If you have a retrofit module or wireless adapter, mount it near the USB port now and keep your tools ready for the next steps. You'll remove trim panels to access the USB hub and plug the CarPlay module into the correct port. Securing it prevents intermittent disconnects. Then power the module and, if required, update its firmware. This resolves compatibility and latency issues. Once firmware is current, pair your phone via Bluetooth to authorize CarPlay. Make sure to accept prompts on both devices. After pairing, connect the lightning cable for a wired session or enable wireless mode if your module supports it. Finish by testing core functions. Play audio, launch maps, and use Siri to confirm voice commands route through the car. If something fails, first reboot your phone and replug the cable, then toggle Bluetooth and CarPlay and iDrive. These quick steps often clear session handshakes. If issues persist, check module firmware logs and reinstall the latest update. Make sure the USB port supplies data, not just charge. Finally, document settings and contact vendor support with exact firmware versions for deeper help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.